What's the meaning of Australasia? Australasia. Australasia.
Australasia. Australasia. Australasia is a region that includes Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, and surrounding islands in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. The term is used to describe the geographical and cultural similarities of these nations. The name Australasia is derived from the Latin word australis, which means southern. The region is characterized by diverse landscapes, ranging from deserts to rainforests, and is home to unique flora and fauna. The people of Australasia have a rich cultural heritage, with indigenous cultures dating back thousands of years, as well as more recent influences from European and Asian immigrants.